Hi everyone! Nandito na naman po ako magdi-deliver sa araw-araw nyo na mensahe to help you na to uplift your motivation. Yung modes nyo po na kung malungkot po kayo na wala na kayo ng pag-asa, ito po ay para sa iyo na mensahe na galing sa Divine Universe, what they want you to know. Okay po? Oopsie. Okay. Your message for today. Wow, sculpted by time. Love transcends time, leaving its mark on our hearts and the world around us. Wow. Show your love, everybody, everyone. Show your love around the world. Show your love na ang ganda ng pagmamahalan sa isa't isa. I hope anyone can resonate this message, and I'll see you in my next reading. Bye for now!